3 Mayıs 2021'de Lakıros'ta görev başında olan bir polis memuru West Avenue kavşağından geçiyordu. Tam o anda kırmızı ışığı hiçe sayarak hızla geçen bir araç polis arabasına çarptı.
How's it going?
Dude, you just blew the red, man.
Yeah, no, I didn't see it.
84 negative. Are you good?
Me? Yeah, I'm good.
Are you hurt?
I just got some glass in there. I didn't know. I was paying attention to the right.
Are you hurt, man?
Is my car fucked?
I mean, you got some good damage here, man. Why don't you guys step out of the car?
Sürücünün 19 yaşındaki Jacob olduğu ortaya çıktı. Ancak Jacob polis aracına çarptıktan sonra durmayacak, sanki önüne çıkan her şeye çarpacakmış gibi hareket etmeye devam edecekti. Hatta bir adım daha ileri gitti ve aracının üzerine devrilmesine neden olan bir kırmızı ışık direğine çarptı.
Dude, stop moving, stop moving. Dude, park the car, man.
Park the car? It is parked.
Okay, your vehicle's still moving, man. Hit your parking brake up. Can you step out, man?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, let's get you guys out of here. Come on.
Fuck.
Step over here with me. Step over here.
Step over here.
Do you have an ID on you, man?
ID, I think it's in my car.
Why don't you sit down? It's good enough to take a picture of? Yeah, please.
Sorry about that, man. I was in my place. I was running to my place. And I had to shit so fucking bad. I think I might shit my pants, to be honest with you.
Okay.
Şüpheli, yaşadığı panik anını gülünç bir şekilde geçiştirmeye çalıştı. Bu aynı zamanda olayın ciddiyetini kavrayamadığını gösteriyordu. Polisler artık onu daha dikkatli incelemeye başladılar.
I mean, you're just not paying attention?
I was not paying attention at all.
Okay. You had anything to smoke tonight?
Me?
Anything to drink?
No.
No?
I smoked a joint like 3 days ago.
Okay.
That was it. I smoked inside in my car. But no, I'm not under the influence of anything.
Şüpheli, hiçbir şeyin etkisinde olmadığını iddia etti. Ancak polis onun hal ve tavırlarından şüphelenmeye başladı. İşler ciddileşirken test süreci kaçınılmaz hale geldi.
Come over here.
Over here.
Yeah. Okay, so I want you to be honest with me. You smoked some weed today?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Pretty recently?
Very recently?
Yeah.
Probably 2 hours ago.
Okay. How much?
How much?
Like, do you feel pretty high? Because you seem pretty high.
No, I'm not high.
You don't feel high?
No.
I see there's a bong in the car.
Yeah, I just bought it from the one place.
Okay.
Smokes for less. I'm Southside.
Okay.
Bahsi geçen bang, genellikle esrar veya diğer ot türevlerini içmek için kullanılan bir tür pipoydu. Duman suyun içinden geçerek içime hazır hale geliyordu. Polis için bir araçta bong bulunması, uyuşturucu kullanımına dair güçlü bir şüphe oluşturdu ve şüphelinin ifadelerinin doğruluğunu sorgulamalarına neden oldu.
So when did you smoke? 2 hours ago, you said?
2 hours ago, yeah.
At your house or where?
In my house, just at a buddy's.
At a buddy's?
Yeah.
Like south side, north side? Where?
Southside.
Okay.
Down to Southside smokes about new bong.
How much did you smoke? Like, be honest.
I haven't even smoked that new piece in there.
How much did you smoke 2 hours ago?
Oh, like a couple one hitters.
A couple one hitters. Is that normal or?
Yeah, that's normal.
Okay. Do you have anything on you?
No, you can search my pockets if you want.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just hold on to that.
And I got my wallet right here.
Is that just a vape?
Yeah, it's
see
a
that?
vape. Yep.
Is this a weed vape?
No, not a weed vape. You can go ahead and test it and all that. You pull this thing out right here.
Pull it up.
Şüpheli burada polis memuruna elindeki vape cihazının içinde esrar yağı olmadığını söyledi. Test edebilirsin ifadesiyle Cihazın sadece nikotin içeren sıradan bir elektronik sigara olduğunu iddia etti. Şüphelinin uyuşturucu etkisinde olup olmadığını anlamak için polisler cihazı test edebileceğini belirtti.
Hey, seizure. It's seizures. Here. You can throw the juice in this to do if you want to. You can go ahead and do whatever type of test you have to do on it, though.
Okay, but you can put it back in your pocket.
All right.
I'm gonna run you through some tests to make sure you're gonna be driving. Since you've been smoking weed, you got in an accident. Okay.
Okay.
Is that pretty fair?
Yeah, that's fair.
So you don't really remember what happened, or because you weren't looking, or because you were going too fast, or like kind of walk me through.
I feel like I was just going too fast, to be honest. I got a new car and
How fast do you think you were going?
probably like 10 over the speed limit.
So like 35.
Yeah, 35.
And you were coming this way from the marsh, from like Menards. And
Yeah.
you were taking a right here to go home.
Yep.
Okay. And you didn't see that you had a red light or not?
Did I see if I had a red light or not? No.
Okay. So you smoked 2 hours ago, some one hitters.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. Can you stand with your heels and toes touching?
Yep.
Completely touching like me.
Like
And then
this.
put your hands at your side.
Hands on my side. Oh,
Try it again, just like me. Okay.
that's kind of bad balance. My bad.
Do you have any physical issues?
Physical issues? Yeah, my knees are a little fucked up from work.
Like, do you have a physical injury, or do you it's just sore?
Polis şüphelinin fiziksel durumunu netleştirmeye çalışıyordu. Eğer gerçekten bir sakatlığı varsa testleri geçememesi normal olabilirdi. Ancak bu durum madde etkisinde olup olmadığını anlamak için yeterli bir gerekçe olmayacaktı.
It's just sore.
Okay. Do you have any problems with your eyes?
Eyes? Yeah, I had eye surgery not too long ago.
When?
Because I had lazy eyes or whatever. So they like brought them back.
When did you have eye surgery?
Eye surgery like a couple years ago.
Okay. But your eyes are fine now?
Yeah, my eyes are
You
fine.
wearing contacts?
Contacts? No. I'm supposed to be, but
Okay. All right. Put your feet like mine, all the way touching.
Shoes.
There you go. And then put your hands at your side. All the way, no, down at your side.
Oh,
Like this.
down my side.
Yep. Can you see my finger?
Yep.
I want you to follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, and don't move your head. You understand, Jake?
Yep.
Keep watching my finger. Just track it with your eyes. Hey, you're not watching my finger.
No, that's your finger. Sorry, I've never done this.
It's okay.
Before.
Just like you're watching it. Everywhere my finger goes, your eyes go. Ready?
Okay.
You're not able to do this?
Me? No.
You're not doing it. You're like looking past it before it. Just like if you were to watch like a baseball game. So you watch my finger, you got to keep your eyes right on the tip of my
Alright.
finger.
If
Okay?
you guys think I'm drunk or something, I can do a.
No, this is
breathalyzer.
just a test we have to do.
Oh,
I gotta,
okay.
and I got you. I need you to follow my finger. Okay?
Okay.
Just keep following it. Alright, don't move your head though. Ready? Tilt your chin down a little. Okay, just watch my finger.
Alright, sorry, my
Keep watching
apologies.
it. Keep watching it. Can you see it way out here?
Yep.
You're not looking at my finger though. You're looking like at my
Oh,
wrist.
sorry.
Tip of my finger, right here.
Tip your finger, alright.
Don't look away from it. It's better. Keep watching it. Here. Okay, stand normal.
Stand over?
Yep. Alright.
Yeah.
Give you one more chance to be honest with me.
Alright.
You're on something else.
Alright.
You're on something else.
I'll be honest with you, I think it's Xanax.
Yep.
Yes, sir, yeah.
No. You took that way more recent than yesterday.
More recently yesterday.
Just be honest with me. Like, be straight so I can get this
Alright.
solved. But I can tell you're not normal. Like,
I'll
something, like, it's
take
affecting-
I took a half of one.
like
Probably
just
like,
when you smoked 2 hours ago or what?
yeah, when I smoked 2
You
hours
took
ago.
a half of Zanny?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like you took a lot more than a half, to be honest, man. It's messing
No, I
you up
took-
pretty good.
I took a half, I don't know, these things fucked me up.
Yeah.
I just got so much shit going through my mind,
Yeah.
you know, and it's just,
Okay. Okay. All right, just hang tight with this guy really quick, okay? Don't go anywhere. Just hold on. Hey, Sarge.
Yep.
Did you get pictures?
Yes.
Okay. 'cause
I've
he's
got
here.
pictures of the inside, yeah.
Okay. There's not really much. He's on Xanax too. I got nystagmus like crazy. So, take your hands out of your pockets. I want you to imagine there's a straight line in front of you.
Okay.
All right, Jake? I want your left foot on that line, and then I want your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe, and I want you to stand like that.
Okay.
Just like that. Don't move until I tell you, understand?
Okay.
So when I say go, Jake, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps down this line,
Yep.
turn around, and take 9 heel to toe steps back, okay?
Okay.
Watch me, I'll demonstrate. You're gonna go just like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. When you get to 9, you keep your front foot down and do a series of small steps.
Alright.
And you turn around, do 9 back. 1, 2, 3, and all the way to 9, okay?
Alright.
Polis Jacob'a yürüyüş ve dönüş testi yaptırmaya karar verdi. Jacob sanki kaygan bir zeminde dans ediyormuş gibi sendeleyerek yürüdü. Her adımında kontrolünü kaybediyor, dengesini sağlamak için kollarını kullanıyordu.
While you're doing this test, Jake, hey, look at me. While you're doing this test, I want you to keep your hands down at your side.
Okay.
Count your feet, count your steps out loud,
Alright.
okay? Keep watching your feet, and don't stop walking till you've completed the test.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yep, I understand.
Do you have any
sir.
questions?
Nope.
Okay, get back in the starting position first. Right foot in front,
Right foot in front.
right foot in front of your left.
Left.
Right foot in front. Put your right foot in front first. Okay, now you can begin if you understand.
Alright. Mississippi. Oh, shit. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. 5 Mississippi. 6 Mississippi. 7, 8 Mississippi. 9 Mississippi. 10 Mississippi. Let's rotate.
Yep, just like I explained.
Alright. Then 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi.
Okay.
Am I going to jail for this?
I don't know right now, but no, probably not. Okay, heels and toes touching,
Heels and toes touching.
hands down at your side.
Sound
So for this one, I want you to lift up one of your feet 6 inches off the ground with your toe pointed out, and just hold it there 1001, 1002, and just hold it there and keep counting until I say stop.
Okay.
Okay, watch, I'll demonstrate. You can pick whatever foot. You're gonna go like this: 1001, 1002, 1003. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, see how my foot is?
Yeah, like
And
this?
Yep, and you're gonna keep doing that until I tell you to stop. Okay.
Okay.
While you're doing this test, hold on. I want your hands down at your side.
Okay.
I want you to look at your foot, count out loud, and don't stop until you've completed the test.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I'm not that good about
That's okay. Do you have any questions on how to do it?
No, I got it.
You got it? Okay, you can begin then.
Alright. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Oh, shit.
Keep going.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. It's hard. 1 Mississippi. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi.
Okay, you can stop.
Oh no, I can't do that.
That's
shit.
okay. Do you know your ABCs?
ABCs, yep. A, B, C, D, E,
Hold on, hold on,
F.
hold on. You in school?
Me?
Yeah.
Am I in school? No, I got my diesel mechanic credits working in Caledonia, Minnesota, farming.
You graduated from high school?
Yep, graduated right from
So you know your ABCs.
ABCs, yep.
Can you say them to me A to Z, just normal without singing them?
Yep. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. Can you count fine?
Fine? Yep.
Can you count backwards from 88 to 73 for me?
88 to 73?
Yep.
Yep. 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71.
Okay. Alright, curable PBT. Okay. One more. So this one, heels and toes touching again. This is the last one, okay? Hands down at your side,
Yep.
out of your pockets.
Sorry.
So when I say go, I want you to tilt your head all the way back. Don't go until I say it though. Tilt your head all the way back, close your eyes, and estimate the passage at 30 seconds. Okay?
Estimate the pass.
Estimate the passage at 30 seconds.
Like what happened right here?
No, estimate 30 seconds. Passing.
Estimate 30 seconds.
Passing. And when you
Okay.
feel 30 seconds has passed, I want you to open your eyes and say stop.
Okay.
Okay, so watch me. You're gonna go just like this. You're gonna tilt your head all the way back, close your eyes, and then estimate 30 seconds, okay?
Alright.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, begin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Tilt your head all the way back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is this supposed to go 30? Oh,
That's okay though. We can stop. I'm gonna have you blow on this. You haven't been drinking, right?
no, I haven't been drinking.
This will see if you have any alcohol in your system, okay?
Right.
All right, big breath. Zeros. You can take that tube off. Pull it, pull it, pull it.
Would it come out as
Zeros.
zeros?
Did-
I'm in.
Yeah, okay. Come over here to the squad with me.
Ovi ifadesi etkilenmiş halde araç kullanma anlamına gelir. ABD'nin bazı eyaletlerinde kullanılan bir terimdir ve genellikle alkol veya uyuşturucu etkisi altındaki sürücüler için kullanılır. Polis burada sürücüye alkol veya uyuşturucu etkisi altında araç kullanmaktan tutuklanabileceğini söylüyor. Ama bir şans daha verecekler.
You have anybody in town that's sober?
Everybody in town that's sober?
That's sober.
Yeah.
You do?
Yep.
Okay. So you're gonna be placed under arrest for OWI right now. Okay?
OWI?
Yep. And then we got some testing and some paperwork, and then if all goes cooperatively, you might be able to go home. Okay?
Okay.
So I gotta put you in cuffs, all right?
Rip my vape one more time.
We probably aren't gonna hit that anymore, but this won't take too long. Okay?
Kazanın ardından Jacob Lacrosse ilçe hapishanesine götürüldü ve bazı suçlamalarla karşı karşıya kaldı. Yaralanmaya sebebiyet veren alkollü araç kullanımı, kırmızı ışık ihlali ve uyuşturucu kullanımına ilişkin araç gereç bulundurma. Kazaya karışan polis memuru hafif yaralanmalarla yerel bir hastaneye kaldırıldı ve tedavisinin ardından taburcu edildi. Mahkeme süreci sonucunda Jacob'ın hapis cezası almadığı belirtildi.